Welcome back, and right now we have our square code. So if we click the green flag, we will draw a square. But today we're going to switch it to different shapes. So let's start with a triangle. We'll switch it to 3 because triangle has 3 sides. And then instead of turn 90 degrees, we'll turn 120 degrees because we need an exterior angle for this one. We're also going to make the code a bit bigger. So we're going to pick the magnifying glass with the plus in it. Make it big, but not that big, so we're going to make the -1 to shrink it. And now if we press the play button, we have a triangle. Now we want to make more shapes. Let's make a hexagon. So 6 sides, and we're going to change the turn degrees into 60. So now we have the code, and let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Now we have a hexagon. Why don't we try making a big hexagon? So instead of move 50 steps, say move 100 steps. And we play, and we have a really big hexagon. Thank you. Bye.